Brothers and sisters, today is Saturday, June 14, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Matthew chapter 5, verses 33 to 37. We will just read the very core of our message in verse 37. All you need to say is simply yes or no. Anything beyond this comes from the evil one. The gospel of the Lord. A promise is to make sure it will happen, and to swear is to let know a promise will surely happen. Ang pangako ay upang matiyak na ito ay mangyayari, at ang sumumpa ay upang ipaalam ng isang pangako ay tiyak na mangyayari. Our message, yes or no, oo o hindi. First, everyone is given the right to understand, choose, and decide. Ang bawat isa ay binigyan ng karapatang umunawa, pumili, at magpasya. Second, everyone is given the opportunity to know the truth, righteous, and holy. Ang bawat isa ay binigyan ng pagkakataong malaman ang katotohanan, matuwid, at banal. And third, everyone is given the chance to be with God and live with God. Ang bawat isa ay binigyan ng pagkakataong makasama ang Diyos at mamuhay kasama ang Diyos. Good morning and God bless us all.